Here I'm going to demonstrate how I do a video and to upload it on YouTube. So basically what I do, I go to my Zoom account. All right. So if you don't have a Zoom account, then you can go to Google and just type download Zoom. Download Zoom. I'm using this on-screen keyboard because my A and my D and sometimes my H and my G not functioning. So I have to use this on-screen keyboard. See, every computer has an on-screen keyboard. You just type in search on-screen keyboard, and then you just click on it. Yeah, so I have it pinned to my toolbar here. Now just type download Zoom in Google, and here you have download Zoom Center. Click on download Zoom Center and download Center Zoom desktop client. Just click on download and version 5.11.3, and then you just continue the process. Just click on download. It will and you can sign up. All right, and you see here it is downloading. Click on it. Zoom installer. Click on Zoom installer, and you start to install. All right, or you can watch a YouTube video as to how it can be done. Now, once you have Zoom downloaded, you click on your Zoom. I have it pinned to my toolbar here. Zoom, click on it. Well, I started a meeting already, so because I'm using it to record. So return to Zoom, and then you return to meeting, but it would have started a new meeting. All right, and then you simply make sure you go to more and you share. Right now I'm sharing, so, and then you click record. This is recording. So if it wasn't recording, it would have been click record, it would have written record here. So I'm recording all also, so that's why I have pause and stop recording. As you can see, I export the video, so it is not filming my face. So once you have done that, you open a Word document, and I'm going to use Word document to explain a concept. Let's explain addition of fractions. So also Zoom is recording what's going on in my screen. So you can type as your heading, addition of fractions. As you can see, my A is not functioning. Adding fractions. And you begin to explain. And you can type. It's up to you how you want to explain it. You can type the instructions here. You can type, let's say, you can see steps. And number them. Step 1. You can say ensure that the denominators are common denominators, add the numerators, and simplify if need be. Okay, and then you can type example. Okay, and here you can use to insert, and you go to equation. Okay, so whatever you're doing will be typed using the equation type text. You can increase your size of your screen by bringing this upwards so that you can have everything on one screen. Let's increase this up a little bit. Okay, so let's say you have, so you want to type now, you go to, once you have the equation window here, you go to equation, and you can look up fraction, see fraction, exponent, square roots, all kind of math symbols, right? You toggle down under fractions, and you click different way you want your fraction to be represented. You want it numerator, denominator. So let's say a very simple example, 2/3 plus, go back to fractions. Another way to get a shortcut fraction, just type the numerator, type the bar for the fraction, type the denominator, and just type space bar. Automatically you get a fraction. So you have 2/3 plus 3/4 equal. So what you want a common denominator. You can do that by simply multiplying the first fraction. So you can copy down the first fraction, highlight it, copy, Control C, put it there, Control V. So this fraction, you can multiply this fraction by 4, both numerator and denominator. This 4 came from here. That's a very quick way to get a common denominator, by multiplying alternatively by their denominators. So the first fraction you multiply by the denominator of the second fraction, and the second fraction you multiply by the denominator of the first fraction. All right, both numerator and denominator. So you do the multiplication sign right here. So you multiply the first fraction by the 4, and copy this times 4 and just paste it here, plus, and then the second fraction now multiplied by the denominator of the first fraction, which is 3. So this fraction, 3/4, I can multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the 3, this 3 that is there. All right, and equal, and this will give us a denominator of 12. So you have 2 4s are 8 upon 12. All right, plus, I'm using the shortcut version of a fraction, or you could have gone here and look for the fraction, denominator, numerator, and denominator, or you can use the shortcut version. 3 3s are 9, fraction bar upon 12. So that's 9/12. 8/12 plus 9/12 equal, once you have a common denominator, you can add the numerator. So the denominator is common, you carry the common denominator, and the numerators, you add them. That will be 8 plus 9. So 8 plus 9 equals 17. Go back to equations, fraction, 17 upon 12. And 17/12 can be, well, you can use the word simplify, but you can use the word translate also, translate it to a mixed number. All right, so that will be 12 into 17 goes once. All right, plus the remainder now, that would be 5 upon 12, and a mixed number is commonly written as 1 and 5 over 12 without the plus sign. Okay. So you can write the mixed number like this: 1 plus 5 upon 12. Okay. Because if you add 1 and 5 over 12, you are going to get 17 over 12. Okay. Or you can just write it without the plus sign. So always remember, for a mixed number, we put a space in between them. For a mixed number, you always have an invisible plus sign between the whole number or the integer and the fraction. So 2/3 plus 3/4 is equal to 1 and 5 over 12. And if you notice, you say in the and, so that plus is like a conjunction: 1 and 5 over 12. 1 and 5 over 12. Now, what you do now, let's save this. Let's save it as addition of fractions. We have to save it in a special spot so we can retrieve it. So we're going to upload it to files, save as. Okay, let me just save it on desktop. So it can be easily retrieved. Let's go to the desktop. And on my desktop, I think I have a folder called recent videos, recent recordings, adding fractions, save as. So what you do now, you go to, can create a new tab, go to YouTube. Make sure that you have logged in into your Gmail account. All right, here I have 2 Gmail accounts, so I already logged into my Gmail account. Okay, it's important that you do that first. Log into your Gmail account, and then you go to YouTube. Go to that plus sign, which label create. You click on create, upload video. So you don't have to have a previous channel. If you have, that's your first time, you go to create and upload video. It doesn't matter. Just go to create and upload video, and you go and you search for it, select files. I've uploaded a video there already, so it just send me straight there. Oh, by the way, I have to end the video. I have to end that video, okay, for me to have noticed it. Okay, so what I'll have to do, I'll have to show you how I just upload another video. So here is adding a fraction, but this is the Word document. I can upload a Word document. So let's just see, upload assignment 1, for example, or research project. Upload research project. Steps 1 and 2. Let's do steps 2. And open. Research project step 2. Click next. No, it is not made for kids. And you make it public so that everyone can see it. And then it is uploading. So your video is uploaded. So you just go to YouTube and create and upload your video. So that video I create in there, for me to recognize it, I would have to end the video. All right. End the recording, and then automatically Zoom would have made a video out of it, and then I would upload it. So there's 93% uploading. Okay, if you want, you can close that. And here you can see channel, because I've uploaded videos already. So these are some videos I've uploaded already. So here it is pending, and when it is through uploading, it will mark public.